Good afternoon, my YouTubers. This is me again, Daniel Drepsky, for this another update video at that garage on Laurel Boulevard. And today's date is March 28, 2023, and it's like kindly in the low 50s today. It's partly sunny and cloudy. And right now it's about approximately 2:45 in the afternoon. I just spotted something like someone was just working. Yep. Because I didn't know. I just spotted it when I was doing something. Yep. Let's hope he leaves soon. So I hope you enjoyed this little short update at that garage, and I'll see you next time I have more updates. And please comment or subscribe or ring the bell if you like this video or previous videos. Until then, this is your buddy friend Daniel, your cameraman, saying a little see you later. Bye.